Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open private or incognito browsing section in Google Chrome browser. So very simple and easy way. Open Chrome browser, then click on these three dots and here click on New Incognito window. So you will see this black screen. Now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads, bookmarks and reading list items will be saved. So make sure downloads, bookmarks and reading list, this one will be saved. And here you can compare. Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms. Your activity might still be visible to websites that you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. And also guys, you can block third-party cookies by just pressing this setting to off position. When on sites can't use cookies that track you access the web, feature on some sites may break. So this is the way you can open and access incognito in Chrome browser. Also guys, you can use a shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus N. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe to this channel.